This person's life is ruined by a single mosquito bite. Now he is 26 years old. He was bitten by a mosquito 20 years ago today. The mosquito bite changed his life. Everything becomes random. Now he can't even walk. The life of Bong Chet in Cambodia has changed completely. One bad thing after another happened in this life after he was bitten by a mosquito 20 years ago. Bong Chet dreamed of becoming a footballer, but that dream remained elusive like this life. Bong Chet was bitten by a mosquito 20 years ago. He returned home from the field with a light scratch on his leg. The man of the house thought a little bee bite and did not bother with that wound. From then on, Bong Chet's legs began to swell like balloons. At the age of 12, Bong Chet's legs swelled 5 times more than normal. Bang's parents are workers, so he could not take the boy to the big doctor. Local doctors have not been able to catch his real problem for years. Then Bong gradually stopped walking. Now he spends all day sitting at home. The legs are so full that he cannot move. A couple of days ago, a couple found out about Bong Chet's condition. They said they would donate $2,500 to the bank for treatment. Arrangements were then made to take him to a good doctor in the bank. Doctor says Bong is suffering from lymphatic filariasis. The disease is spread by one type of insect, and that insect enters the body through mosquito bites. No vaccine for the disease has yet been discovered. However, he underwent surgery in 2016 after an Indian man contracted the disease. Doctors were able to reduce the weight of his legs by about 30 pounds. This time, Bengia will have surgery. If all goes well, he may be able to walk again. The price of 4-leaf tree in auction is $8,150. Really? It's unbelievable news. $8,115. Yes, you can buy a car for this money, or you can go abroad. But ever spend so much money just to buy a tree? Again, the tree has only 4 leaves. I was surprised to hear that, but this is what happened in New Zealand. The tree with only 4 leaves has been bought in the online auction in Bangladeshi currency for $8,115. But what is so special about the tree? It is known that the tree is a rare species, Rhaphidophora tetrasperum. But what is so special about the tree? It is known that the tree is a rare species, Rhaphidophora tetrasperma, which is also known as Philodendron minima, priced at New Zealand $8,150 in local currency. In fact, it can be kept indoors. It is such a small tree, but the specialty of the auctioned tree is that it was 2 different colors on each of its 4 leaves. Each leaf has strange yellow spots. Again, in the middle, half of the leaves are green and exactly half are yellow. Such colors are never seen in this tree. The tree was auctioned off at an online trading site called TradeMe. The price goes up so much. According to an environmentalist, in the context of this tree, photosynthesis takes place in the green part of this tree and sugar are formed in the yellow part. Meanwhile, it is learned that a total of 3 people have bought this tree. One of them said, "We actually bought this tree in threes. Then a beautiful tropical garden will be created. It will have such a rare species of trees. There will also be birds and butterflies, and there will be a restaurant in the middle of that garden. Not only in New Zealand, but in the whole world, Such a tropical garden may not be seen anywhere else.